Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm going to show you the location and give you some information on your Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor, or the upstream oxygen sensor air fuel ratio sensor on the Bank 1 side. Driver's side is always the Bank 1 side on GMs or Chevys, trucks, SUVs, vans, everything. Bank 1, driver's side. Got that covered. Now, the upstream oxygen sensor is responsible for measuring the air and fuel coming out of the engine as it goes down the exhaust stream before it enters the catalytic converter. It gives that information to the computer so the computer could give or take away fuel from the engine to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. These oxygen sensors are pretty important. They should be replaced about every 100,000 miles. If you look in the description below, you'll find links for the parts and links for the tools to get these replaced. A 22 millimeter open end could sometime do it, or a oxygen sensor socket will get the job done. When you do replace these, make sure you get a OEM replacement, AC Delco or GM. Always get a direct fit, never get a splice in. If you have a circuit issue, you're probably going to end up replacing the sensor. If you do not have a wiring issue, that should fix the problem. If you have a lean or a rich code, you're probably going to end up having another issue in the engine, and the oxygen sensor is actually letting you know that there is an issue that it's seeing. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below, ask away. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share before you go too far, especially hit that like button. It helps me out a lot. And I will see you on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.